What is up guys, Tanit this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the slow download or slow Wi-Fi speed problem in Microsoft Windows 11. So let's get started. So first you need to head over to the settings by just clicking on this Microsoft button and then clicking on settings. And after coming to the settings, you need to click on network and internet and then on your Wi-Fi. And then you need to click on your Wi-Fi properties. And from here, you just need to make sure that the metered connection has been turned off. And after turning off this metered connection, you just need to come back to your desktop and then you need to click on the search bar and then you need to type data usage overview. And after that, when you open this data usage overview application, from here, you need to click on data usage. And when you click on usage, this will show you all the applications that are using the most of your data. So if that particular internet consumer application is not of your need, you can just simply uninstall it. Or if you are not using that currently, you can just simply disable that application, and after that this will speed up your process of downloading. So this is how you can increase the download speeds in Windows 11. It was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.